So we will see the most basic program of the machine learning, that is Hello World. Hello World in the machine learning. So Hello World has a relation with all the programming language. So Hello World is the most basic and first program for the any programming language. When we learn any programming language, we will try to display the program. We will try to write a program to print Hello World. So we will see what is Hello World in the machine learning. That is, it is the most basic program for the machine learning. Before that, we will see some differences between the machine learning and the traditional programming. Like, what are the differences? So as we can see here, what happens in the traditional programming? Traditional programming will take input. Traditional programming will take input and rules as input, and it will display the answer. For example, if I will take, suppose we have to write a program to add two numbers. So input will be the numbers, two numbers will be the input, and rule will be we will add two numbers like a plus b we will write, or anything, any other number, any variable you have taken you can write there, and we will get the answer as the sum of the two numbers. But in machine learning, what will happen? It will take input or data and answer as the input, and it will give the output as rules. It will give output as rules. It will not take rules as the input. It will give output as the rules. So I will demonstrate this with the Hello World program in the machine learning, how it can give rules in the output, how it will take input and answer in the input. So I will demonstrate this. I will illustrate this with the Hello World program in the machine learning. So code I am not going to explain because it video will be very long if I start explaining the code. First thing, so first point I want to make it clear. So first thing, we have to import the libraries, because many things, many models and any other things will become very easy with the help of libraries. So first we will import the library, which are the useful library for writing our program. We will import it. So let me import this library. Is running now. This you can see, x is our input, y is our output. Now pause the video for few seconds and try to find out what is the relation between x and y. Please try to find out what is the relation between x and y. Now fine, I hope many of you have got. So the relation between x and y is equals to 2x plus 1. So this y is equals to 2x plus 1. If you multiply 2 into 2 plus 1, it will become 5. If you multiply 3 into 2 plus 1, it will become 7. Similarly, 1, 3, 4, 9, similarly. So this is our relation. This is our rule. Y is equals to 2x plus 1. This is our input. So I have declared one array, very small array, as input, and this is our answer. This is our answer. As you can see, these are the some processing steps which is needed to run the program before giving it to the model. Now this line, what it will do, it will build the model. It will build the model, and our model is linear regression, and which will be stored in the variable model. So linear regression is the type of supervised algorithm. Fine. So this line, what it will do, it will train the model. Model dot fit means it will train the model, and model will try to learn the relationship between x and y. While training the model, in the training phase, model will try to learn what is the relation between x and y. So this line, let me execute this. Fine. Now now we have to predict. Now these points we have given as input, and this was our output. So what we have given, this was our answer, and this was our input. So input and answer we have given to the model. As you can see here, x and y we have given, and output it will give as prediction. So model has learned what is the relation between x and y. Now we will try and check whether it has learned correctly or not. For that, what I will do, I will take other variable which I want to predict. Suppose 7.5 I want to predict. Now according to that relation, y equal to 2x plus 1, the value of 7.5 should be 16. The value of 7.5 should be 16. So let me check whether our model has learned correctly or not. Now you can see here, so if I am giving 7.55, our model is giving 16 as the answer. Let me convince you with some other example. Let me give you a 10. So according to our relation y equal to 2x plus 1, it should display or predict 21 as the output. You can see here, when I am giving 10, it is telling 21. Suppose I give 100. Let me run this. So for 100, you can see 201 it is telling. So 2x plus 1. 2 into 100 plus 1, 201. Fine. I think you got the basic idea how it is doing. First, what we have done, we have taken input. So input and output we have taken. We know the relation y equal to 2x plus 1. Now we built the model. We have done training of the model. In training, what model will do, it will try to learn the relation between x and y. After that, we have made the prediction. So let me convince you. If you are not convinced, let me convince you with some other example, complex example. Now same thing I have written. This is our input and this is our output. Now if you try to figure out, so this is the relation between x and y. Y equals to x square plus 3x plus 2. You can check. You will check for first example. So for 5 you will check. For 5, what will be the value of y? 5 into 5, x square means 5 square, 25, plus 3x means 15. 25 plus 15 plus 2, it is 42. So this is the relation between x and y. It is not easy as previous one. So if you are thinking that the relation was very easy here, so the model is able to predict. So let me take a complex relation. Here relation is y equals to x square plus 3x plus 2. Now I will train the model. I will train the model in which it will try to learn the relation between x and y. After that, I will take a variable for prediction and I will predict it. So this is for prediction. So let me execute this program. You can see here it is coming for 10. For 10 it is coming 134.6. For 10, what will be the expected output? 10 square means 100 plus 3x means 30. 100 plus 30 plus 2, it should come 132. But what it is coming? It is coming 134.6 because our data set is very small. We have taken very small inputs. Only 5 points are there. And second point, our model is little bit complex. Relation is little bit complex. So in this much points only, in only 5 points, it has came this much close. This much close it has predicted only in 5 points. If you give large data set, if data set will be very large, it will be more accurate than this one. Fine. I hope it would have given you basic idea about machine learning and what is input, what is output, what is the output of the machine learning, how prediction happens. So this was the hello world in the machine learning. Thank you for watching.